Yeah.
We're all set.
What am I doing?
Pardoning a turkey.
Okay.
Mr. President,
Excellent.
I think you'll like this.
Mr. Meister, Meridian 3000 series. One-piece forged blade, riveted palm handles.
Terrific.
I don't like the handles.
Okay.
Mr. President,
How's it going?
sir, we've taken a couple dozen meetings in the last 2 days.
You met with Chinese embassy officials?
Last night, they say...
Christians aren't persecuted in China. Since they're not oppressed, they don't qualify for refugee status.
Under U.S. or UN conditions, yeah.
They also make the point that they broke Chinese law when they left the country illegally and should be sent back to their country of origin.
It's a fair point.
The INS agents also feel it's not uncommon in this situation for refugees to, how do I put it, feign faith.
Yeah, they'll be coached.
So how do you tell the difference between...
You guys know what a shibboleth is?
It's a catchphrase, isn't it?
A cliche.
Comes from the Bible. Then said now unto him, say now shibboleth. And he said sibboleth, for he could not frame to pronounce it right. It was a password, a way the army used to distinguish true Israelites from imposters sent across the River Jordan by the enemy.
Sir...
I'm having one of the Chinese refugees flown here. I'll meet with him tonight.
Mr. President, I can't, indefinitely with the turkey.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Mr. President, what are you going to ask the Chinese refugee?
I'm going to ask him to say shibboleth.
Mr. President?
Is he here?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Did we get an interpreter?
He speaks English. He's a chemistry professor.
Yeah.
There was a while there I wanted to be a chemistry professor.
What happened?
I never actually studied chemistry.
A lot of these college chemistry departments are really demanding that way.
Yeah.
Mr. President?
Jen Wei?
Yes, sir.
I'm Jed Bartlett. This is Leo McGarry.
How do you do?
Thank you for coming all this way.
Yes, sir.
Fellas, would you mind waiting outside?
Certainly, sir.
Would you care to sit down? Perfectly all right. Some sandwiches here. If you get hungry, you should feel free to eat as much as you please.
Yes, sir.
There are questions as to the veracity of your claim to asylum.
Yes, sir.
How did you become a Christian?
I began attending a house church with my wife in Fujian. Eventually, I was baptized.
How do you practice?
We share Bibles. We don't have enough. We sing hymns. We hear sermons. We recite the Lord's Prayer. We are charitable.
Who's the head of your church?
The head of our parish is an 84-year-old man named Wen Ling. He's been beaten and imprisoned many times. The head of our church is Jesus Christ.
Can you name any of Jesus' apostles? If you can't, that's okay. I usually can't remember the names of my kids, or for that matter.
Peter, Andrew, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Thomas, Matthew, Thaddeus, Simon, Judas, and James. Mr. President, Christianity is not demonstrated through a recitation of facts. You're seeking evidence of faith, a wholehearted acceptance of God's promise of a better world. For we hold that man is justified by faith alone, is what St. Paul said. Justified by faith alone. Faith is the true... I'm trying to... Shibboleth. Faith is the true shibboleth.
Yes, it is. And you, sir, just said the magic word in more ways than one. Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you, Mr. President.